What's up, guys? A while back I did a test drive of the '07 Volvo XC90 that had the bashed in door and quarter panel. Well, there's the door. I got a new, well, I found a good used door off eBay for $320. Same color, same tint. It didn't have the panel, but everything, I just took everything off the old door, and man, it was a piece of cake. But this door was trashed. I mean, look at the scratches, dented in really bad. But anyway, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the car. Okay, here it is. And it was on this opposite side here. She'd run into a concrete pillar in a parking garage. And there's the used door I found. Looks pretty good. I mean, all this was smashed in. And as you can still see, there's still some work to be done. But I'm trying to locate this black plastic ring that goes across here. It looks like, you know, similar to that. There you go. And I think if I can get that installed, it will cover up, of course, you know, all this. And I've got touch-up paint for these scratches. So all that'll really be left is just this dent. I wanted $4,500 to fix this. Everything works. Power door lock, power window, speaker. Man, piece of cake. Took out that bolt, took out that bolt, took out that bolt. And you unplug this. All you do is take a flathead screwdriver and pick that out, and the plug just falls out right in your hand, basically. It took me 5 minutes to change this door. 5 minutes. I spent more time with Gooby Gone trying to get off the rock chip protector that a lot of these have right here, and it was just dirt brown. It had gotten so nasty from age. I spent an hour or so scraping that off. But it looks a hell of a lot better, doesn't it? Now this door ain't perfect. It's got a few door dings and blemishes, but I've bought some touch-up paint to touch it up. And yeah, man, that makes a hell of a difference. Just getting that door replaced. But anyway, I'll have the rest of it when she gets home for Thanksgiving. And it'll be looking spiffy again. Now this is the '07 XC90, not the 2012. The other daughter has it off at school. So anyway, to be continued. I decided I'd just go ahead and flip the old door around. Yeah, you can see how bad that thing was beat in. I mean, the door handle was useless, couldn't use it. It would have opened from the inside, but it didn't work on the outside. I actually just noticed I need to take this piece of trim off of this door and transfer it to the other one because it's missing on the other one. Just noticed that. So I'm going to go take care of that now. Y'all have a good one. Peace.